Hey everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Lady T and you're watching Lady T's Things That Bling DIYs. If you haven't already subscribed, would you please consider becoming a subscriber, also known as blingers. Well, today we're going to be doing a canvas bag, a sublimation bag with 4 panels for my baby sister, who is a consultant for paparazzi. I am too, but she does most of the work. So she asked me to make her a bag, and I used that 4-panel bag for her to use for her paparazzi business. Now, if you'd like to get in touch with her, you can look at simplymore.70 on paparazzi. Now, as you can see, I'm printing this out. I didn't want to have you sit and watch me do the whole process because I had that on other videos. So, as you can see, I printed out my items. And you see all that stuff on my desk because prior to this, I was working on another project with that piece of board in the bag and the board underneath the paper. I multitask. Sometimes I jump from one project to the next project before I finish the first project, but that's just my creative mind at work. You know what I mean? Okay, don't judge me. So here we go. This is the first of the 4 panels that I'm cutting out, which I don't know why I didn't edit this part out. Who wants to see me cutting paper? Really? I'm going to give a shout out to Miss Ruth and Miss Menda Mitchell, who recently had a birthday. Also want to give a shout out to my husband, Bishop Gerald Scott, who watches my videos. Want to give a shout out to my sister, Cynthia C Fashion. You can check her out on Facebook, Cynthia C Fashion. She is an awesome seamstress. Yes, she is. Also want to give a shout out to the genius, aka Miss Vanessa. Shout out to my other sisters, Miss Shay Williams, and you can check her out. It's Mine's Novelty. Check her out on Facebook. And Cookie Holland Simpson, my other sister. Now, as you can see, the letters are printed backwards because when you're doing sublimation, if you're using any words, whether you're doing sublimation or not, you could be doing it on vinyl. If you're using words, you have to make sure. If you're doing print and cut, you have to make sure that your letters are reversed or mirrored. The correct word is mirrored. So there you see me laying down my items on my 4-panel bag, checking to make sure they are in the right place. And you will see at the end I made a little mistake, but it's okay, it's fixable. Right now what I'm doing is putting down some heat-resistant tape to hold the images in place, because sometimes when you're putting on the top paper, butcher paper, sometimes your images will move and you want to make sure they remain in the same spot when you press down the presser. I'm just checking there to make sure that the words are within the square and not going over. Yeah, I meant to edit this out, but I didn't catch that. After all of that, I still made a mistake on the bag, but I will let you see it at the end. Also want to give a shout out to my girl Rhonda Jackson, who's in some of my videos. And this is a nice canvas bag. It's able to hold a reasonable amount of weight. And for what my sister's going to use this for her jewelry, depending on how much jewelry she has at the time, it can become a little bit heavy, but this bag will accommodate her jewelry. Paparazzi is a great business. I'm not on here to endorse them. However, I just wanted to say that they do have great jewelry. And if you look at some of my videos where I did the beauty trays, you can see that I was using some paparazzi jewelry for display purposes. The beauty trays are just what they are, beauty trays. They're beautiful. So I do have videos. If I know how to link that video on here, I will do that. I'm still learning. Man, girl, you need to hurry up. Why are you taking so long? Okay, so now we're going to put the baker's paper on there, or some people call it something different, parchment paper. This is not parchment paper though, it's baker paper. You know, back in the day when they used to wrap your meat up at the butcher shop, that's what this is, butcher paper. So I'm going to press this for 60 seconds on 400. What I like about this heat press is you can pull the platen. It's called a platen, P-L-A-T-E-N. You can pull it out so that you can adjust your item that you're trying to press. And that's what I like about it, because you can pull it out. However, if I get another printer, I might just try to do the clamshell one, because, I don't know, all this swinging around and stuff. I don't know. We'll see. It's very hot, but I'm going to pull the butcher paper off and watch what happens. So I'm pulling the platen out again. So I don't want to be too close to that heat thing. That thing is hot. I actually burnt my finger. You guys didn't see it. So there you have it. If you look down in the right hand corner, you can see that I made a mistake there. I didn't put my paper far enough over. And at the top you can see some white showing at the top as well. But that's easily fixed. All I have to do is go back and put some black paper there. And it'll be fine. So that is it. The end result of my making the canvas bag for my sister's paparazzi business. And you know what? You can use these things. You can put anything in those squares. You can put your pictures there. You can put Bible verses or poems or affirmations. You know, anything you would like to put on there, you can do that. So you can contact me if you'd like me to make you one. All right, this is her bag. She already says she loves it. My sister's really not hard to please. I love her. And now she can carry her bags. Bam, bam, bam. To her job or wherever else she's going. She's doing really good. I'm proud of her. But if you like this video and you're not a subscriber, would you please consider becoming a subscriber? I'd love to hear your comments. Please give me a comment down below. And please give me a thumbs up. I enjoy making these videos and I'd like to make more for you. That's what the bag looks like originally. And this is the end result. So again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Lady T of Lady T's Things That Bling DIY videos. All right, you guys have a great day. God bless you. And we are having snow in Philadelphia. We haven't had snow in Philadelphia since I don't know when. And today is the 16th of December. And it is snowing, y'all. It's snowing. So y'all be good. Put that in the comments where you guys are from. Let me know if you're getting snow or what kind of weather you're having. All right. God bless. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.